guys? Caleb here, Caleb's Property Maintenance. It's Friday, yay! Not that I care. Every day's a great day when you're in landscaping, that's for sure. So I'm headed to my dealer, Reiss, as you guys know, and they have an open house today, so figured I'd go check it out. And they're also having a 20% off sale on Echo equipment. I think it's across the board, any piece of Echo equipment. So I have decided that I'm going to get an Echo trimmer so that I can put the Edge-It Pro on it, because I want to try out the Edge-It Pro, and for some reason I lucked out on all my other trimmers. The Edge-It Pro is not compatible with. Oh well. So I'm going to take advantage of the 20% off and buy that. And then I'm also having them, I had all my trimmers serviced this year. I had never had that done since I got any of them. So I figured I'd splurge and have them all, carburetors all cleaned and everything. So, and the Red Max trimmer, which you guys will see in when I start mowing. The Red Max trimmer, I'm having them put on the Echo Speed Feed head, so I'm excited about that too. So, alright, we'll catch you guys there. Check it out, guys. You know I'm a huge X-Mark fan. X-Mark! Look at this. Wow. Man, I'd love to get my trailer wrapped like that. That'd be awesome. Husqvarna's in the house. All my Husky fans. Alright, let's go in. Laser Z X series with the UltraVac. And the red too, nice. I've never seen that in person. Look at that, the weights on the front, wow. Brian's lawn maintenance setup right there. It's exactly what he has. Oh wow. Check it out. S-Series Vantage. X-Mark Vantage. Yeah. I want to demo the 48 version of this so bad. Oh yeah. This is nice. I could get comfortable with this real fast. Awesome, man. I so need to demo one of these. Got the Honda Track snow blowers. sweet, guys, pretty sweet. I might have to try out the ECS. We'll see. Look at that, guys. All this equipment back here either needs fixing or has already been fixed. That's crazy. That's quite a bit for this small company. Check this out, guys. We got the Husqvarna auto mower.
Never mow again. This is a retirement factor for most landscapers. Perfect for this guy right here.
It's a mower.
Yeah, truck is looking awful dirty for a guy that's retired.
What are you doing, Mike?
I came here to harass you. You haven't
I know
finished.
that.
Yeah, that truck looks pretty dirty.
I know, man. What's up with that?
The what?
Truck is looking a little dirty.
Oh, I know.
I think 35, 40 bucks.
That one's more expensive.
That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. One thing, guys, I do want to show you. I'm here with the Laser Z E-Series, but I think the platform is about the same. And I am a taller person, so look. Legroom isn't too bad. But wait till I hop on the Husqvarna mower.
So I got the serial number for Henry. I had one piece, 5 more on the truck. Henry's supposed to be here Wednesday.
So much more legroom, guys. So much more. Exmark has to get with it, I'm telling you. They need to step their game up to the next level. Wow. Alright, guys. I'm leaving the open house now. It's pretty fun. Got to drive the stand-on unit. As you can see, I'm definitely excited to demo one. Probably mid-May, something like that. So, it'll be fun. So, alright guys, I'm on my way home. Alright guys, so I'm just about home. That was awesome experience for sure. They had one about 5 years ago I went to. That was the last time they had an open house. So, pretty fun. I was talking to a 81-year-old guy and that has 4 crews out working, and I was like, wow, 81 and he's still going at it. And he did not get around like an 81-year-old, let me tell you. That guy could hustle, that's for sure. So, great time. Oh yeah, also I got to take a quick look inside the Exmark trailer because I wanted to see how they tied things down, so I know how to do it for myself here in the enclosed. So I just took a quick look in there too. So that trailer is sweet, man. How it's wrapped and all, that's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So thanks guys for watching, and stay tuned. Have a great day. Go Exmark. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.